Hello, do you want to be a wealth engineer, with no risks, no effort, no team building, no recruiting, no pressure at all? Well, then I have just the business for you, called OnPASSIVE. The year 2020 teaches us that nothing and no one is saved, especially our jobs. Lots of people are jobless and search for online business opportunities, but sadly, there are so many mishaps out there that will make you even more depressed. OnPASSIVE give you an opportunity to become a founder, with benefits before they open to the public. We are a new automated digital intelligence internet platform with products built from the ground up, no copying of other people's products. OnPASSIVE will be your business, not your job. We are safe and secured in over 200 countries and hundreds of thousands of founders. You can build your business as big as you want, work on it whenever you want, and if you want. This is a business to pass on to a loved one anytime you want. OnPASSIVE is here to stay. This is our kids' future and our legacy. Give yourself peace of mind and know those you care about are taken care of. Take that step today, become a founder and never look back. Together we will help make someone's life better. Contact me or the person who sent you here. Martie JM Burger.